get it extremely curly and for it to last a very, very long time. The first thing I do is I just spray my hair with water. There's nothing else in this can, just water. Next, I just start finger combing my hair all the way through. It's so much better than a brush and comb because with the brush and comb you pull out more hair. But with this, you pull out less hair. Now I'm just dividing my hair into 4 parts, and this is the first part I'm going to work with. This is coconut oil. I found this at Big Lots and I melted it down and I put like heat under it so it would melt. And then I'm just going to put that on the roots, work that into my roots really, really well, and then I'm going to put it on the ends of my hair and I'm going to focus it on those areas. Next, I'm just going to take a comb and comb out the ends of my hair. Make sure your comb is wide, like a wider tooth comb, so it doesn't pull out as much hair. You can use any conditioner, but this is like a conditioner that I put like random conditioners inside and then I just use it all over the middle ends, roots, everywhere on my hair. And you can use whatever conditioner works for you the best. I'm just going to take a brush and just brush up my roots. Since my hair is going to be in this for a while, I want it to stay down as flat as it can. So I'm just going to brush my edges. Now this is like a curl enhancing gel and it helps your hair stay curly so it won't frizz up. It'll just stay contained in its curls and it won't leave your hair hard. Since you have the coconut oil and the conditioners in your hair will stay very, very, very soft and healthy. Now you just want to work this through your hair, like finger comb it through your hair so it gets every single part so your hair won't swell or anything, and you want to pat it on there too just to make sure that you got every area. This is the longest part for me because my hair is actually really long, so I just braid it away for the whole week and I do 4 of these, so yeah. Make sure you brush your ends together so they stay together. I also put conditioner on them so they stay moisturized, and this just helps your braids stay all week. So it's been a full week and I am just taking out my hair, and this is what the hairstyle I left it in because I am a ballet dancer and you have to keep your hair up in a bun, if you guys know that. So I had to leave it up in a bun for this, and I'm just taking out my hair. I don't suggest you put your braids in a bun because it kind of disforms the way you want your curls to go, but I mean, this is what works for me. As you see, I'm just working my hands through my curls so they could just be more like thick and defined, and over time this does swell. As you see, my brother bought my guinea pig. Next, I just keep flipping my hair back and forth and combing through it with my hands just so they're more defined. I realized that when you flip your hair upside down and then like finger comb it, it like lengthens it and makes it a lot more thicker, as you can tell. right there. Now I'm just styling my hair like I normally wear it. I always flip it to the side because I hate center parts. The way they look on me look disgusting to me, so I always flip my hair to the side, and I'm trying to fix my ends, just make them look more curly. And that is all the hair I lost for that whole week, as I left my hair in a braid. So your hair really grows in this hairstyle, and I love it so much. Okay guys, so I just finished my hair video and this is how my hair turns out. I leave it in there for 7 days, and then like it'll stay like this if I throw it up in a bun for like 3 or 4 days. And this keeps your hair extremely moisturized. Like my hair isn't dry, even if it looks, it's like extremely moisturized. My roots are taken care of and everything. This is like, I do this every single week, I try to, and if I don't go out, I only let my hair out if I go out, but today, I wanted to show you guys the outlook if I don't go out, and this is what it is. I did my makeup also just to film this outro for you guys, but other than that, I leave my hair up in this for 7 days. I put it in on Sunday and I let it out on Friday. Today is Friday. And what is it called? It's very easy to do, and since I'm in ballet, I have to like tie back my hair. So I put my hair in a little knot in the back. But another thing I'd like to say is the conditioner I used was a mix of old conditioners that I just threw together. So whatever conditioner works with your hair, you could use that. I just wanted to say that real quick. And that is pretty much all I do with my hair, and I try to keep it that way. This one, it didn't turn out as like perfect as normally it does, but it's whatever. It still looks really pretty. But other than that, if you guys want more hair videos, tell me in the comments down below. Leave a like to show your love and support for my channel, and hit that subscribe button also down below. I mean, it's only a click away. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want more hairstyles or anything hair related videos, make sure you comment down below or DM me on my Instagram or anything like that. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and peace out.